Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we have the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro cam. So let's go ahead and check what's in the cam. So there are two set of boxes, and in the bottom we have, this is the extension rod actually, which is used to mount the action cam, and it seems to be quite a good quality rod, and it extends quite long as well. I think it is almost around 3 feet of extension is possible with this. Next, let's go ahead with this box. So we have cable, and I think both the sides we have the C to C type cable. So this is the cable. Next we have is the, so this is nothing but the adapter mount, and it is magnetic. So the best part in the DJI is this quick release magnetic mounts, and there are two magnetic mounts which is provided in this box, the one which is having the longer and the other one which is shorter. So in this box we have a couple of DJI stickers. Along with that we have a user manual. This is the charging case for the batteries, and the best part is it comes along with 3 batteries, and these batteries have a capability to last almost around 4 hours. And the best part with the DJI is the quality of the batteries actually. And this case is like a quick charge case for the batteries. Next, let's see what's in the other box. We have a few things in the other box as well. Let's go ahead with this. Okay, so we have a good quality case for the action cam. It seems to be a plastic case. This is good. And apart from that, we have another mount which I stated, the quick release mount. If you notice, the size is same. Only difference you can see in this mount is the length. So this is a little bit longer and this is a little bit shorter. So this is two mounts, quick release mounts. And again we have a chin strap which could be used in the helmets. And these two are nothing but the knobs which is used to tighten. Next, let's go to the cam. So we have the Action 5 Pro cam. It looks quite good, and if you see right, the quality, the finished quality is also very good. And this is where the battery slot is there. One good part of the DJI is that it is having an inbuilt memory of around 50 MB around. That's the inbuilt capacity. So let's go ahead and add the batteries. Yeah, so you can see here the DJI is switched on. Okay, let's see. Okay, I think I forgot to remove the stickers. And yeah, so if you see, this is how it looks. Cam. And the best part of this cam is nothing but the quick release. So if you see right, it just gets attached immediately, and it is really a great quality. And if you want to release right, it just comes out easily like this. And also if you are adding this cam into the mount, right? So you can have also the horizontal, you have the horizontal as well. So this is how you can shoot the vertical shots, and once the DJI is inserted here, right, you'll get the horizontal shot. So you can utilize two mounts at the same time. So this is an added advantage with the DJI. So not yet tested how the camera performance and the video quality. So in my next video, I'll be talking about how the quality of the videos, and I'll show you a few features which is in the DJI Action 5 Pro. That's it. Thank you.